What's up, my Johnson fam? Nah, but what's poppin', my Johnson fam? It's your favorite family, of course. Y'all, it's me again. Yeah. I feel like y'all should be singing in the arms of the angels. Cause baby, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Y'all, I've been laying around. I've been up and I've been laying around in my bed. Now I done took me a shower and my stomach is like, girl, you should have been got up at 8 because I'm so hungry. Y'all, I feel like I'm dying of starve. I mean, starve. I feel like I'm dying of starvation, for real. So I got my grease getting hot to cook me some chicken. But in the meantime, between time, I need my rusty dusty crackers. And who want to eat rusty dusty crackers? My handy dandy crackers or something? Nah, but for real, y'all. Today I don't plan on doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Nah, but I really am, I'm about to cook me something to eat and get my baby dressed. And then I'm gonna, I may put up his, goal for him outside. And then I'm gonna let him do some outside stuff today, y'all. He been riding his scooter in the house for a bit now. But, y'all, I could have did this a better way than this, but shit, I'm hungry. And I'm trying to do this and this at the same time. So. But, y'all hear my cousin in the background? She is so loud. Like, loud. But, yeah, so I'm going to let him do some outside stuff because it's a little warm. On Christmas, he didn't get to enjoy his Christmas gifts outside because it was cold. And who was going to be out there? Not me, not him, not us, not we, not she. No, none of us. So anyway, it was cold yesterday a little bit. And then it warmed up, but it was too late because I, laid around being lazy. But anyway, today I'm going to let him enjoy himself outside, ride in his car, and all of that good stuff. And yeah, so I decided, hey, if you want to come on along with us, okay? But right now I gotta go change his diaper because I have a baby that when I want to change when he used the bathroom, he like to run and hide. He don't want you to change his diaper. And I don't know what be going on, but baby, my mama always wait till I'm recording to come in here with all these other people YouTube playing like, I don't want to be copyrighted. I don't play nobody other stuff in my videos. But y'all, we eating some of these. The grease is hot, as you can see. And I'm cooking them for me, my mom, and my son, and my little cousin. Ain't many in here. That's gonna be big, bitch. I'll cook all of them. That grease is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Very hot. Why are you doing that? And there we go. They take like... You want chicken? It gotta cook, baby. I don't know why my son don't think that anything is supposed to be cooked. Every time I cook something and he want it, he think I'm supposed to just give it to him. Like, he never want me to cook anything, and I never understand why. Like, if he want a hot dog, he don't want you to cook it. He like, I want it now. Leave me alone. Leave that back up. Up. About to fall. But anyway, every time I cook him something, he like, I want it. Give me now. Give me now. Like, boy, you want it uncooked or you want to cook? You want to be sick or you want to be healthy? Like, what you want to do? What you want to do? Like, but he is so stuck on that. And we have this fight every time that it's time for him to eat. He don't want it cooked. Am I the only person who have a child like that? So it's been about 4 minutes. 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And they are brown and crispy. So I'm going to take them out. And and they floating. And they have to in there for you, please. But anyway, I'm gonna take them out. And I have my thing here for resting. I'll see that crispy golden. Now I'm gonna cook us some of these golden stick fries. I'm dropping it. Shake it up. I don't know who are eating fries, but this is like the easiest way to cook in, y'all. If y'all don't have one of these hits y'all want. Okay, so this is the easiest way to cook. You don't gotta worry about the grease popping. The fries are done pretty much. I like my fries to get dark. As you can see, actually I get them darker like that. If you see that fry right there, that's how I like my fries all over. But I'm hungry and I don't feel like waiting. So baby, let me show you how I'm about to take these up out this grease, up Outchea. Shake off that grease as much as you can. And dump them bad boys right here. Right now, turn off your grease. You see, unplugging it too. Don't leave it plugged up. Okay. Get my top. Put it back on. Okay. And my food is done with some Himalayas, with some of this babies on it right here. This Himalayan pink salt. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. That ain't too much. And don't tell me it's too much. Put it away. And boom, there go a meal. Now I'm about to put meat in. I was about to say husband, but he ain't here. I meant to say my son. Because he think he my husband. He think he my daddy. But anyway, make our plate. I don't want to give him too many hard pieces because I'm going to give him 2 that he probably ain't going to eat, but he said he wanted some chicken, so we're going to see. And then I'm going to give him some fries because my baby like fries. And I'm hot, so I'm going to have to wait to give him his plate. So we're going to wait a couple seconds to cool off. Because my baby don't like for people to tell him his food hot. So yeah. Here you go. He don't like for you to tell his food hot. He will have a hissy fit. He don't like you to cook it, and he don't like for you to tell him it's hot. Okay, so that's me and Sonny's little food. Little food, little minute, little plate, little plate, little plate. So, yeah, y'all. Nothing like that handy dandy that get you right in a good little 20 minutes. Okay. It's time to eat. So, y'all just see me plate it or whatever. But I'm going to let it cool off because if I sit down with it, he going to want to eat it right away. I don't know what he in his freezer doing, but he need to get about this freezer. So nobody asked him to be in the freezer. What happened? Well, what? But anyway, y'all, I'm about to eat, okay? So he can go outside and have his fun, okay? My nose itching. If y'all truly understand, he almost did not make it out here. Baby, you can open the door. Get down. Let me show you. Get down. We almost didn't make it out here. Because, baby, I ate and had got the drops. But, you know, had to press through my baby because he been wanting to drive his car. And it feel good out here, y'all. I bought a jacket out here, but I don't think I need it. It feels good. So, y'all, his little car, I'm going to show y'all. Yes. Y'all see it. He got a Silverado just like his dad. Y'all see my baby. Trucking. Show you his whip. Says show you my whip.
The whip.
Yeah, so I gotta see if he can drive it. He could drive his other one, but we're gonna see. But I'm gonna charge. I charged it for 24 hours because you had to wait 24 hours for him to get on it. But anyway, y'all, I got his iPad. I'm about to plug it to his aux. Let him listen to some music. Okay, hold on. Y'all can. Ooh, what's on my lip? Come on. Oh, y'all, I forgot I started recording. But y'all can't tell my baby that he is not doing his thing. Like, he made me so proud. We done walked down the street. Now he done got his mama motivated. She done walked all around the corner. Y'all, he done drove all the way around the corner. Done made his mama walk the whole mile. Turn this way, dude. Where you going? Come on. Are you paying attention? Come this way. Come this way. Oh boy, he not no driver. He trying to drive with no hands. And I told him he gonna end up in the ditch. And then we're gonna take his license. Yeah, I think he doing this on purpose at this point. I'm talking about no hands. I told him to put his hand on the wheel. He's talking about, I'm a driver. Boy, you ain't no driver. Look. Duda, you gonna go in the ditch. Come on. I don't know what he thinks he got going on with driving for 30 seconds before he doing something. He gonna be just like his doggone daddy. Think he the master driver. That's it. That's all. And his music done went out. Y'all, my boy trying to get home and charge his iPad at this point. Y'all see him? Let me see him. I think he doing it. Go ahead. He holding two hands now. Oh, no, he gonna roll in that ditch. Go. So thank you guys for tuning in with your favorite family. Of course, the Johnsons. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to your favorite family. Hit that post notification bell so you're notified the next time I post a video. And like this video, y'all.